especially the first half. That was
Like Dutch Thunderhead.
I've heard that comparison before. Like they do compare this to Thunderhead a bit. I think I like this a little more.
It's a toss-up. They're very similar.
I was told I caught it in a bad year, Thunderhead. It was like 2019. I don't know, something was up.
Normally, Thunderheads, like the first half of this, last the whole ride.
Yeah, I just don't remember getting good runs on Thunderhead, but I might have just caught that at a bad time.
It's had a rough couple of years, but they've got it dialed in, and it's much better now.
That coaster probably needs a redo for me. Anyway, I like this though. Useful to track work, but